Finding a comfortable space on the floor, lying down on your back. Once you're there, you can do your body scan, getting a feel for how you are imprinted on the floor, finding the connection points. Then when you're ready, you can bring your feet to standing, slide your hands up onto your knees. And then here we're going to turn the left foot into the right foot, which is going to drop the left knee away from the center line of the body. And then gently you're going to push the knees away and then pull the knees back in. Have a feel for what is happening in the lower back, in the pelvis area. You can draw circles. You can spend as long as you feel you need. Doesn't need to be too long though. It's quite incredible what you can do in a short space of time when your focus is connection. So we're bringing awareness to this area of the pelvis and the lower back, and we are connecting to it through subtle, gentle movements. Then you can relax, have a feel on what's different this time when you're on the floor. And then we're going to go to the other side. So the right foot this time is inside the left foot, and the right knee is away from the midline of the body. Bringing the knees into the body and away, just using your hands very gently, and connect with what's going on. Are you breathing? How are you breathing? And if you're not breathing, do breathe. Full intention is to connect. Feel what is going on. And after you've done the circles, you relax. Has it changed? Is there a difference between the left and the right? And no judgment either from whatever you find. This is just all about bringing in awareness. It's all about keeping you present in this moment. This time, you're going to keep the knees and the ankles together, and alternatively, pushing and pulling the knees towards and away from you. And then you'll go for circles. And you go one direction and then change it to the other direction. Yeah, and everything subtle. Oftentimes we want to chase either range or we're chasing a feeling. And we have this kind of warped sense that when we feel either a little bit of pain or that stretch, that's that makes us feel good. And whilst that might in the moment, it won't. In time it will react a little bit heavier to us than what we think. So always resting. If you ever, if you feel tired, just rest, and it's okay, which is lying, flat on the floor. This time you're going to bring your right foot underneath your left calf, and as you push and pull the legs or the knees to and away from you, you're going to slide that right foot up and down the calf, all the way up to the back of the left knee. So staying connected the entire time, and then swapping it over, left foot underneath the right calf, and pushing and pulling, you're going to bring the foot up to the back of the right knee. And again, continue breathing. Now, what's happening to your heart rate right now? And again, you look at it, look at your body through compassionate eyes, no judgment. It is what it is. as you're resting here, for some, this is actually quite a big movement. We've reorganized what has been going on in these hips and this lower back. So you may feel the hip flexors start to make themselves known, or you'll feel that you're a lot flatter on the floor where the lower back is. So just take your time. Just feel, connect.